Hi, you're watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
The government now is pursuing this anti-drug campaign because of, the series of events. How do you feel about it?
Actually, noon pa ako supportive sa mga anti-drug. Kasi syempre, kumbaga sa level of kapraningan, mas mataas ang level ko because I have my own personal traumatic experience.
That's right.
So, actually, I'm very, very happy dahil finally magkakaroon na ng environment na very hopefully maging clean for the next generation, including my son.
That's right.
Kasi I have a 16-year-old.
Tama.
So parang talagang what happened is so timely, and also marami din kami, mga co-parents din namin sa
Right.
Ateneo, nag-uusap-usap din na may mga chismis din kami naririnig na ng may mga pumapasok na rin sa school, and it's very alarming. Tapos what's also alarming is yung the kids are even proud of, flaunting it. Talagang,
Right.
yung, parang proud pa sila at ang dami nila. So, nakakatakot na.
Correct. Mag-backtrack lang ako ng konti. Yung nangyari sa'yo, was that you were just accused or talagang inamin mo yung meron ka?
There was talaga something in my bag, and although I was tested negative for my drug test and I was released after 23 days, nahirapan din ako kasi hindi naman nahirapan ako bumangon kasi I was only 21 years old when that happened, and for a 21-year-old mahirap maka-face ng society na
Right.
very judgmental.
Right.
Matatawa ka talaga, MJ, na kahit hanggang ngayon, after 18 years, from 1998, marami pa rin ako na-encounter na tao na parang sinasabi nila na parang wala kang karapatan magbago. Ang dami nang nangyari sa buhay ko. Nagkaanak na ako, may 16-year-old na ako, nakapag-aral na ako uli.
Naitama mo na.
Alam mo, pero minsan nakakapagod din mag-explain. Yeah, so yung sa akin, very vague yung nangyari sa Guam kasi 0.08 grams of shabu na nakuha sa akin na tira nung party ko. And honestly talaga, yung circle of friends ko before at age 21 were all using. So during that time, nagtatry din kami ng mga ecstasy, mga ganyan. Pero yung nangyari, kumbaga, yung nahuli sa akin, yung mga tira-tira. And I was almost there. Napupunta na ako sa landas na mali for a 21-year-old. And hindi lahat ng tao nakakaalis tulad ko. Hindi lahat ng bata. Kaya talagang kumbaga yung buttons ko na press with what's happening lately. So I don't want my son to experience what I experienced, and I don't want any teenager to experience nangyari lately. Parang wow, mas matindi pa kaysa yung nangyari sa akin, kamatayan, death na. So sabi ko, wow, akala ko yung sa akin na yung pinakamatindi.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.